I don't know, maybe it's poops. Take a lick.
I don't know. I found it in the water.
Is my new boyfriend. His name is Bob. Yeah.
Piercing eyes.
Piercing green eyes.
Okay, come. Guys, come. Bianca, I'm waiting
Hello.
on you, girl.
My name is Bob. We're gonna let him go now. Yeah.
Puppy.
I've never held one of these
Bob.
before. Bob.
Just watch out because he launched himself on us.
Oh yeah, I mean he might be playing.
Can he just stay on the boat?
I think he might jump off and swim.
He might jump off again.
Yeah, you will launch.
Babe, if you hold his tail, it will come right
Oh, the
out.
catfish are killing it!
No.
Yeah, the catfish just took it down and ate it.
Well, that's gnarly.
That is the gnarliest thing I have seen
I'm so sorry.
all day.
Miranda, you just murdered us! You just murdered our lizard!
You killed Bob.
You just killed their new pet. Well done.
He did.
I thought I was gonna be the bad guy.
His name was Bob.
Oh shit,
He was a really good lizard. He did.
No, I really had the name.
Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that just happened.
Ah, I see Bob!
No way! Where? Shut up.
Bob floating there?
Where? Drive over there.
Get Bob! We're coming for you, Bob! We're coming for you, Bob! Don't
I don't see.
I see him. I see him.
How'd he get that far?
Oh, I did like this.
Where?
Oh my God.
Dude, Bob!
Okay, you didn't murder our pet. It's okay. Mom, Josh! Dad!
These people are dead. God damn it.
Dude, you live! Swim away! Swim away!
Okay, maybe we should let him go when we get back to the beach. Whoa, Mom! Should we just leave him?
Well, in other news, the piranhas that are the catfish did not murder Bob, and he's going to make the submarine voyage back to Peanut Island.
Mom,
we
is
hope.
he
I'm
really?
gonna make a bad decision that's pop his head up nearby us again.
Aren't they all bad decisions?
Hey, Mom!
World, we are at the airport, and this is the last you're going to see of Pearl for a little while.
Sure.
And we're going to California. I got up every hour making sure that we weren't going to miss our flight, and that was not very helpful. So we're 3 hours early because our flight was delayed, and now we're going to go find our terminal, and yeah, wish us luck. Tell me how your flight was.
It was terrible.
It's terrible?
Terrible.
And you escaped in the plane?
Yeah.
Let's see, recap. We took a dinghy to a rental car. Then we took the rental car to Fort Lauderdale. Then we took 3 planes with a 4-hour layover in, oh, here's Gary, he had a good time, in Las Vegas. And that's where you saw Gary walking around the airport. And then my mom picked us up in Sacramento, and we took a 4.5-hour ride to Wairika. And now we're here. So we visited and we hung out. So it was like a 18-hour day for me with travel and everything. And now we're here and we're showered and Gary's happy. And my mom is now going to take me out in my dream car, which is a 1967 Buick.
I've had it since October, and I've only put $5 in fuel in it. And I was going to meet some friends, and it was out of fuel, and I didn't even know where the fuel tank button was. The little cable was there.
Oh my gosh, it's great. This thing is super cool. What year is it?
71.
Oh, I thought it was a 67.
70,000 miles.
Wow. And there's Mountain Shasta right there. Well, folks,
There goes our day. Gotta drive it more often to make this baby work all the time.
the bonus is that there's a hill, so our ride could be just down the hill.
Oh, we could pop start like the other day.
Yeah. We're now in the Audi. Very sad. but we're gonna go to town and we're gonna do some home improvement, which my mom is where I've learned all of my home improvement skills and boat improvement skills. So I wish I would have paid attention more when she was remodeling houses when I was young, but I didn't. So that's why a lot of my projects started with 5200.
What you doing, Bee?
I'm making a cake all by myself.
How big is that cake gonna be?
3 layers. Hold on.
Misfortune foretold, hey Danny, hey Danny. He stopped for a while outside of Boston when he heard his name being called and hit the road again, hey Danny, hey Danny. And 500 roads and streets have gone.
Oh, there comes a little one.
Too many sunsets calling there. You know how it feels, I'm bound to leave.
Making Barney like not want to sit, like walk on the leash
I'll
properly.
take care. Hey Danny, I'll take care.
Wow, it's so pretty.
He's past the red rocks of the sunny dried west, and he hitchhiked his way to Seattle.
Oh, is he in?
Hey Danny.
Oh, you didn't mess up my hook.
Hey Danny.
Picking up dog poop.
He bows his head. He knows he's not coming back, but he's glad he's not dead. Hey Danny. Hey Danny. And
Why do you keep doing Barney? Barney poops more.
No way.
You're probably already done.
No, heck no. Okay, what I recommend is raking it all into a pile and then scooping it all at once. That's what I think.
Mom, this is gross.
I mean, that's what happens when you have animals.
Yeah, these aren't mine.
Listen, this bag of dog poop I have, if there were gold in it, we'd never have to work again.
It is gold, Mom.
Fool's gold! Okay, well, this isn't the #1 best activity of the day, but we have a beautiful view. That's a bonus. And most of the poo is dry because it's so hot and deserty up here, so it's like little prairie cakes from this giant ox. Nice big bag of poop. Happy weekend.
Look at all the ripples from the fish.
Recap, the kids are at my mom's house and so is Gary. So as you guys have gotten to see, my mom has a super cool little farm up in Northern California and the kids are having a blast. Bianca wants to go to school for a little bit as she's done before, and I said okay. So it's going to be me learning how to solo Little Miss as best I can before she comes back. My loose plan is to start sailing towards Panama, but I don't know. I mean, as I head down there, I might decide that Little Miss doesn't have a strong enough rig, or that it's too scary in a boat that doesn't have a full keel. I don't know, I'm still learning, and you guys have been with me every step of the way while I do that. So it's exciting. But as you guys may or may not know, sometimes it's really difficult to play your entire life out on social media. Opening yourself up to everybody else's opinion on the internet is sometimes tricky. Unless your life is perfect, which my life is not perfect. And I guess what I've been trying to show you guys through my own eyes and my own view is to just keep a positive attitude. So not everything always works out the way that you want it to or the way that you feel it should, but as long as you stay positive, everything will be okay. So that being said, I know a lot of you have kind kind of figured out that Stefan is not coming back, and I wish him the best. I, on the other hand, I am going to stay on Little Miss and hopefully sail her. Well, I'm gonna sail her as far as she's gonna take me. And I don't know how far that is yet, but I have no plans on getting off the boat or selling Little Miss or anything like that. I have a lot of big plans for 2020, one of which is getting my pilot's license because I've always really wanted to fly. And I know you guys are like, well, this is a sailing channel, I wanna see sailing. There's a lot of similarities between flying and sailing, which I think there's a lot of pilots actually on this channel watching. On my mother's side of the family, almost everybody's a pilot, so everybody flies. And I've always wanted to learn how to fly since I was a little girl. So next summer when I come back here to California, I'll be able to fly around. I'm excited for that. Lots of new adventures, and this is about just following your dreams, and whatever those dreams may be. I have a dream to sail around the world, and I have a dream to fly and to look down and see this beautiful earth. So lots of fun stuff on the horizon. Thank you guys so much. All my love, and I will see you next week.